Nice drop. Yeah, we're gonna go to the shop right now. They're gonna install them, but it's gonna take all day. That'll never get old to me. Sounds beautiful. And then my drive shaft is also coming in today, but unfortunately later, and I really want to install these coilovers. And it's the 3.5 aluminum one piece. I didn't go cheap this time. Look at that. Yeah. Man, shit's heavy. Ooh. Lowering springs in the back, coilers in the front, some hardware. Yeah, it's a complete set. And then these screws as well. Alright, so I just got out of the shop and they told me it'll be ready before 2. They'll give me a call, but around 2 o'clock. And they charged me 580 bucks. Originally he said 680, but then the other guy, I guess because I always go there for installation, he said you can do it for 580. That's expensive though still, but that's also including alignment, because that's very important after you do anything with suspension. So that's another 100 bucks for the alignment as well. And then I decided, yeah, why not, you know, I'm already there, I need the alignment anyways. Too bad I'm not back in SoCal where I have more options. Yeah, but I don't want to wait either, because I'm sure there's cheaper shops in Sacramento, but I don't want to have to drive all the way over there and then leave my car for the rest of the day. I'd rather be here in Davis and then I could just walk back to my dorm. Yeah, I'm very impatient when it comes to my car. Like whenever I get a part or something's wrong, I immediately go to the shop and I just want it fixed or done like the same day. I took a photo so I can do a before and after pic to see how it looks like. So that's gonna be cool. So keep in mind, I had lowering springs already, but they're only half an inch. But yeah, those coilover kits cost me like 909 bucks, rounded to the nearest dollar. So yeah, pretty pricey for a suspension kit. But I decided, why not? Let's do it. Finally, the older spring. Damn, nice drop. Look at that. You can't tell because of the sun, but there's the coilover. Yeah, so I was kind of annoyed yesterday because, well, last night, because I showed up and then thankfully I showed up before they did the alignment, because I told him I wanted at 1 inch, and then I go there, the dude barely finishes putting all the coilovers in and then it's at the same stock height, and I was mad. I was like, no, I wanted 1 inch. He's like, fuck, well now he has to do it again, the whole thing. And then I waited an extra 2 hours there just because like he didn't, I don't know what happened, lack of communication I guess. They took my freaking bolt, the wheel lock, and then I found out that, I don't know if they cracked it or one of them, or maybe because I was hitting too many potholes, but one of the wheel studs they broke it, and then they were like, hey, here, this was cracked and all that. So now I have to go back and get another one. I have to go back anyways for them to install my drive shaft. They took my wheel lock and I really need that. That's very important. So I can't believe I forgot about that. Fuck. So I have to go back and I have to get that. Overall, the ride improvement, you can definitely feel the roads. I'm kind of nervous now because there's a lot of shitty roads in SoCal. And then I don't know how it's gonna be like, because the roads here are fairly smooth for the most part, and you can feel a lot of vibration. And I knew that was what I was gonna expect. Once installing them, I knew I was gonna be lowered to the ground and you're gonna feel more vibrations. But it could also be my tires as well, because they're street tires, they're not all weather tires. So that might have an effect on it. Fuck, I'm pissed. Yeah, this might be the key. So I guess that was a regular one. But they have my key, so I need to get that back to access it. Yeah, that might be, yeah. So it was just the regular wheel stud. But overall, the ride height looks dope, as you can tell.